Hi Tarot Tribe, it's Ethany, and I have the absolute pleasure to be sharing with you a new indie deck that has come across my, come to Ethany HQ. It is the Red Seeds Oracle by Linda Hill. This has come all the way from the UK. I'm extremely excited. I was referred to the creator Linda through a contact, actually through a client who said you may want to check out this Oracle deck. So this is an indie deck. It comes in this packaging in a padded envelope when you receive it. So I just took it out of that little packaging, but I haven't opened it. The sticker's still on there. I haven't opened it since then. So I've been holding on to this since late April. So I'm going to swap over the cameras, and we're going to go through just like a normal unboxing and first impressions. I'm going to share with you the cards and tell you what what resonates with me and how I feel about it. I love this pomegranate on the front, like so hard, and that's obviously where the connection with the red seeds. So I'm very excited to be going through this deck with you. So let's swap over and have a look through the Red Seeds Oracle by Linda Hill. Okie dokie, let's go through the Red Seeds Oracle, and you can see the website there, theredseeds.co.uk. Now this, as I mentioned before, comes from the creator. Hang on, let me get it out of this very noisy packaging first. Okay. This is from Linda Hill. And she has done this self-published. This deck is self-published. And Linda has worked with women's circles, moon circles, for a really, really long time, for years. And she centered this deck, if you can't tell from the pomegranates, around the feminine aspects of being, the stories, myths, and connection to the world today. So that's what this deck is about. So it's an extremely feminine, goddess-orientated deck. And then we have a little bit about the Vestal Virgins. So they tended to the eternal flame. So I'm not going to read through all of that for you, but you get this beautiful little card here on the Vestal Virgins. Oh, look how cute that is. It's like an actual little baggie. So you can like carry it around with you and put things in there. I love that. I love me a good little baggie. And then we have, so the Red Seed Oracles traces the myth of the feminine throughout the ages. The Oracle cards can help us connect with and align our experiences with the lineage of these ancient women. Each of the cards offers a seed of awareness to nurture, inspire, and empower. Okay, so this is the box. So it comes in a little tuck box. It says 45 cards here. Okay, and they are backed. So all the information, there's no guidebook, all the information is given to you on the back of the cards. So let's go through these. I am daughter. The artwork is so beautiful. Persephone. I'm kind of being a bit distracted there. I am mother. I'm going to assume this is Demeter. So we have the affirmation, I am affirmation on the front with the artwork, and then we have the myth that is attached to it. A quote, a challenge, and a gift. So we're now working with the mother archetype. That's so beautiful. I am glory. Algae. I am connected. This is Arachne. Yeah, Arachne. I'm not going to guess all these because I'm probably not going to get them all right. It's beautiful. Very attached. Like I feel There's a very big attachment there to that root chakra, even though it's about webs with Arachne. I am loss. Oh, look at that, like coming from the chords there. Ariadne. I am surrender. Oh, so beautiful. Astarte. It's such a beautiful card. I am water. Atargatis or a Atargatis. I am inspiration. Ceridwen. I am protective. I love that. Sybil. So we're learning what I like. I mean, this is such a, the artwork is just like phenomenal. I am the rose. And we're also learning Dani Brigitte, about different aspects of the divine. I am joy. That's so gorgeous. Okay, yeah. Euphorosine. Probably said that wrong. I am the universe. Euonymy, probably. I am knowing. The runes on her. Frigg, of course, with the runes there. You can see all those runes on her body. I love all the connection to the points in the body too. I am the way. The triple goddess there. Hecate, yeah. I am jealous. Hera, well, yes, she was jealous. Yeah, a lot of myths speak of Hera and her jealousy, especially with Zeus running around. I am fire. Vesta. So as you can see, this has got nudity in it. I am the hearth. And Hestia. I have absolutely no problem with the nudity in my decks. We are all born naked. I am descending. And I love, Inanna, that these body shapes and these body types are very real. I am beauty. Iris. I am sexual. One of the things that I find with a lot of decks is that, you know, there's a very comic book fantasy type of way that women's bodies are portrayed, and I love that this deck is not that. I am truth. Niyama. I really, really appreciate that. I am drowning. That's powerful. Wow. Sea goddess. I am essence. Animamundi. Oh, this one's beautiful. I am birth, and we got that gorgeous pomegranate there. Lucina. Wow. I am power. Look at that. That is really awesome. And very like kind of provocative and a little bit jarring with that the red. It's almost like she's been cut into Medusa. Well, that makes sense. And I am busy. The bees. You know how much I love my bees. Melissa. Queen Bee. I am justice. Very V for Vendetta. That mask, that Guy Fawkes mask, just reminds me of that movie So Hard, Nemesis. I am resting. Pastina. I am returning. We have a bunch of wheels, birthdays, maybe Fortuna. Oh no, Nizaba. A solar return, that's cool. I am compassion. Kuan Yin. I am death. Now, I hope that people know, Santa Morita, that Linda is not whitewashing these like with the goddesses. She actually does outline work, so the skin color is not colored in any skin tone. I am transformed, Rhiannon. So I hope that that's evident in her art style. I am wisdom, Sophia. I am healing, Sedna. I am love, Venus. I am chaos. There's such powerful Tiamat. I love this, Iron Sister. Yes, Pussy Hat. Sekhmet. I've worked with her before quite a lot, but I keep seeing a lot of Sekhmet stuff. I am service. The Vestal Virgins. I am abundant. Thalia. I am vulnerable. Gosh, her artwork is so beautiful. Echo. I am sacred space. Isn't that so true? I think we forget that so hard sometimes. Nematona. I am waking up. Sleeping Beauty. I love that. Women are waking up. We sure are. I am of the moon. The witch hair. I am heard. Okapiti. And I am child. I am all so gorgeous. Mary Magdalene. So we have a number of different aspects of the feminine divine represented in this deck. So I'm going to give it a shuffle. So the cardstock is really lovely. It has a more it's not shiny. I mean, it's a little bit shiny, but you can see here it's not super varnished. It's I'd say it's a 330 cardstock. It is a larger size deck, as you can see, and I actually don't, as you know, I like that for my oracle decks, which is why like my Awakened Soul Oracle is larger. I like it to be at least a different size to my tarot decks. So, I mean, I have pretty small hands and I can shuffle it okay. Okay, so I'm just going to run, I'm closing my eyes, you can't see, but I'm running. I am drowning. Okay, Leucothea. The challenge is turbulence. The gift is revelation. So, Leucothea is an ancient Greek sea goddess. It is a white foam and the saltiness of the ocean. She wears a white veil that can wrap around those who are drowning in order to save them. Drowning can be a metaphor for becoming overwhelmed with our life. Thoughts and emotions can sometimes become all-consuming and create deep anxiety within us. Then we swim a stormy, unforgiving sea. A trail of self-loathing may pull us down deeper into the dark, murky depths. At such times, counseling can help us become aware that these wild emotions are outside of our true selves. Rediscovery depends on the witnessing of the negative stories we play out to ourselves, and then to know that we can change them. So that's the information we get on the back there. Actually, I don't feel like I'm drowning. but I do think that's a very, very powerful card, and maybe that has resonated for someone who has watched this today. This is such a stunning deck. I can see this is going to be used quite a lot with healing. I feel like it could be used really beautifully with meditation and with ritual, especially with different goddess archetypes. The artwork is just so stunning. I will pop a link, as always, below for where you can support the Red Seeds Oracle by Linda Hill. And thank you, as always, for watching.